Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome to your 4-element yoga series. This series was shot in beautiful Oahu, Hawaii, and it is designed to move you through a grounding earth, a flowing water, a fire power, and a fluid moving air yoga flow. Join me and others around the world to balance and ignite these 4 elements within you. So, if that sounds like you, then grab your mat, grab a friend, and let's create balance in your life. Let's begin. Welcome everyone to your Earth Element Yoga Flow. The Earth Element is associated with grounding, stability, and security. We feel it when we feel anxiety or stress in the body, or we feel ungrounded. It is associated with the root chakra, and our affirmation for today is the earth supports me and my needs. Let's begin. Inhale in through the nose on a count of 1, 2, 3. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing. A little bit of ratio breathing to start our flow. Inhale, bring your hands together at your heart space. Exhale here. Inhale, reach for the sky. And as you exhale, twist to the right, left hand on right knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release into your twist. One more breath here. Exhale, release. And inhale, bringing the hands up to the sky. Exhale, open twist to the left. Right hand on left knee. Inhale, reach to the crown of the head. Exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, release. And from here, we'll dive forward, coming into tabletop pose. Knees underneath hips, wrist underneath shoulders. Inhale, drop the belly, shine the heart forward. Exhale, arch the back, chin tucks in towards chest. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, cat pose. You might curl the toes underneath and take your cat-cow with toes curled. And find what works for you here. You might move around or sway the hips from side to side. Move with your breath. And then untucking the toes, coming back to table, where we'll send the right foot behind us. Inhale, lift the foot up and extend your opposite arm. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, draw it in. Move here in a bird dog flow. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, draw it in. On your next exhale, hold. Keep breathing and release. We'll move to the other side. Extend the left leg, let it hover. Right hand goes out and we draw it in. Inhale, reach. Exhale, draw it in. Make sure your core is nice and strong and engaged here. Take one more. On your exhale, hold it in and release. Let's walk the hands out slightly, curl the toes underneath, and send it up to a downward facing dog. Pedal it out here. Find a little bit of movement. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees, and as you exhale, walk to the front of your mat. Come to your forward fold and inhale, roll it up, mountain pose. Let's take a few breaths here. Strong mountain. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, hinge at your hips, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up, come to your mountain pose. Exhale here. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up, mountain pose. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, and exhale, fold. Step one foot back, and then the other, plank pose. And then making our way all the way to the belly. Inhale, roll up, cobra. Exhale, release. Curl the toes underneath, then press up to your plank and send it up to your downward dog. Keep breathing here. Inhale, look forward, and as you exhale, walk. Really feel your feet grounding into the earth as you make your way to the front of the mat. Release the head and roll up. Come to your mountain pose. Take a breath. Inhale, reach up high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step one foot back and then the other, plank. Inhale and exhale all the way to your belly. Uncurl the toes and roll up, strong cobra. Exhale, release. Curl the toes underneath. Come to your plank and then your downward facing dog. Taking a few breaths here. You can find movement or stillness, yogi's choice. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, make your way to the top. Forward fold. Inhale, roll up. Mountain pose. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale, flow down. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold, planting the hands. Step one foot back. Step the other. Inhale. Exhale all the way to the mat. Slight back bend here. Strong cobra. Plant the hands on the mat, curl the toes underneath, and press up, plank. Send it up to your downward dog. Straight spine here. Heels draw towards the mat. They don't have to reach. Inhaling, looking forward, and exhale, walk your way to the top of the mat. Forward fold. And rolling up through the spine to your mountain pose. Inhale, reach on up. Exhale, you know what to do. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, straight spine. Exhale, fold. Step the right toes back. Pivot that foot down on a 45-degree angle and come up to your warrior one stance. Press into the pinky edge of the back foot. And from there, we'll bring the hands behind us, interlace the fingertips. Inhale here. Exhale, bring your head down, humble warrior. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold down. Arms reach overhead. And if this is not your jam today, hands can stay on the hips. And rolling up, coming back to warrior one. Planting the hands, lift that back foot as we come into a one-legged flow. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, walk your way to the top. Forward fold. Inhale, come up, mountain pose. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale, flow down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step your left toes back, 45-degree angle. And come on up, Virabhadrasana 1. Breathe here. And then interlacing the hands behind, opposite thumb on top. Draw the knuckles down and away as you fold forward for your humble warrior. Inhale, take a breath, halfway lift. And then exhale, draw the head down towards the mat. It does not have to come all the way. Breathe deep. Find the stability in your feet. Inhale, warrior one. And exhale, windmill the hands down. Step your front foot back and flow down to your upward dog or cobra. Exhale, making our way back to downward facing dog. Pedaling it out or find stillness. Inhale, look forward, bend the knees, and as you exhale, walk your way to the top of the mat. Find your fold, and coming on up to mountain. And staying at the top of your mat, I'm going to come to the side here so you can see me. Step into the right leg, make it heavy, and turn your left leg out, coming into tree pose. Zip up through the middle line, strong, steady core. And then releasing your tree. And step into the left leg, turn the right knee out, and placing your foot where it feels good to you. It's a little windy here, I'm a little unstable. Press into the foot, find your stability, and finding tree on the other side. Releasing the pose. And bringing your feet as wide as your yoga mat, toes spilling off the side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, begin to slide down a wall and coming into your squat pose. Adjust your feet as needed. Sink down towards the mat, and then placing the hands behind us to make our way onto our sitting bones. Soles of the feet touch, knees go nice and wide, cobbler's pose. Inhale here. And then taking an exhale and finding a forward fold here. Fingertips can wrap around the toes, or you can grab hold of your ankles. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, roll up. Extend your left leg, keep that right foot on the left thigh. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, turn towards your flexed foot and release. Breathe deeply here. Inhale, look towards your foot, and exhale, roll up. Let's switch sides. Right leg extended, left leg comes in. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, rotate the heart and release over the straight leg. Janu Sirsasana. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, come on up. Let's take both legs straight out, nice and long, coming into staff pose or Tandasana. Nice straight spine. Inhale, reach up tall, and exhale, fold at the hips, coming into a seated forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, roll on up. We'll point the toes here, clasp the fingertips in front, and roll down to our backs. Feet come as wide as the yoga mat, knees up towards the sky. Let's windshield wiper the legs here, back and forth. Just finding a little bit of movement here. And then holding to one side. You can take your foot and bring it over your knee, but never reefing down on that knee joint. And then inhale back up, and exhale the legs back over to the opposite side and hold. You can take any variation with your hands, cactus arms, straight out as a T. Inhale back up, and exhale, finding our most precious Shavasana. Pausing the video here and taking as long as needed. And then beginning to bring awareness back to the body. Rolling to one side and coming up to your seated pose. And just take a moment here. Bring the hands to the heart. Find gratitude and appreciation for making time for yourself and your practice today. Bring the hands up to the third eye. And we bow to that divine spark that resides within all of us. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel today to show your support. See you next time.